All right, it is Thursday, and the market is looking good after Jerome Powell announced his rate hikes. It's less than what we have expected over the last couple years on the rate hikes. So the market, the SPX, went up to this 46 area and pulled right back down slowly, pulled right back down slowly, but still pulled right back down. And if you look, we've been on this tear since October of 2022. It's just straight to the upside, especially since March, just straight to the upside. This is right where our prediction lied. I talked about overtaking this point here. And if we can overtake this point, then we're going to make new highs. My key level was actually this one for the signal of bull market. So as soon as this lower low or this higher low locked in, and right about here triggered a bull market, and that's exactly what it did. You can look at my previous videos on that. So it is Thursday, and the market is, like I said, on the way up. So I'm going to do a little bit of housekeeping, and you got to do this from time to time just to make sure that your positions are not going to go against you. Look at all these in the monies, and these ITMs are for July 28th. It won't say in the money unless the expiration is actually coming up. Like Z, I believe is in the money, but that's not till a couple weeks later. Couple other ones are in the money, like this Cisco is in the money, but not for a couple weeks. These ones are coming up tomorrow. They're going to expire in the money, in the money. These are all covered calls. So I'm going to get all that cash back, which is fine. But right now, like I said, I'm gonna do a little bit of housekeeping. This KHC, this KHC is not gonna trigger. It's near worthless. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a closing order. So I'm gonna buy it back. Come on, create that closing order. Buy it back. One at 37. I'm gonna put it in at one. Just like, I mean, it's $1. That's fine. I sold it for $8. Nothing too exciting, but like I said, you still want to do your maintenance on these positions, just in case KHC has a run up tomorrow. Then I'll sell a covered call again. This one near worthless as well, and T has been downtrodden. It's been jacked the last couple of days. So tomorrow it may rebound, and if it does rebound, like I said, I will sell it again. Right now, I sold this for 44, and I'm buying it back at 3. So that's a lot of profit there. Buy that one back, and then so I got that fill on there. One more I'm gonna do housekeeping on that I see there's an opportunity. Let's go in. Let's show you this one first. It's actually Wells Fargo, WFC. I bought Wells Fargo for 46. I sold a 46.50 call at $50. And this is what it did. It actually went in the money for a second, went in the money for another second, went in the money a third time, and now it's pulling all the way back. And this gives me an opportunity to buy it back or roll it. So let's see what I can get if I rolled it. I typically don't do rolls. I typically buy them back, but let's see where we're at with a roll. So let's go to monitor. Let's go to WFC. Here's my 50 call. That one is actually up. I sold it for 65. It's trading at 100. This one is, I sold it for 50. It's currently trading at 29. Let's create a rolling order right here. So what this rolling order does is it takes the same 46.50 that I'm right now, it buys it back and then sells it for next week, and then gives me the spread credit, the difference between buying this back and selling it. So I would say selling this is about $50, and then buying this back is about 20 some dollars. But here's what I'm going to do. Remember I bought it at 46? What if I go up and down? So up in or out and down, which is a week out, and then 50 cents down, and then I'll lock in that 50 cents. I could do that on Wells Fargo. That would be a good play. Let's look at August 4th. August 4th, 46 is trading at about 70. So buying it back is about 20. And then this 46 is about 70. So I'm going to do this. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because if it goes more to the downside and it goes under this 46, because right now it's dropping. If it goes under this 46 tomorrow, I'll be able to buy this back and on Monday or tomorrow or Monday at and still keep significant amounts of premium and my shares. So you got to take advantage of the stuff that's dropping. Let's go ahead and send that. And those are my trades. See, right there. If it gets a little bounce back up, I'm gonna get that fill. But this is an epic fall right here, especially for a name like Wells Fargo. Doesn't really move intraday like this. That's a dollar move intraday. So yeah, I gotta take advantage of the downward sentiment on that. And those are my trades. I'll review my profit and loss for the month here in a couple days. Looking forward to that. It's been a kind of a interesting month.